Just in case you don't know, this is a hockey stick. And that's how we tape the top end of the hockey stick. I shoot left, so this is my power hand. This is the hand that I need lots of grip on. So by taping the top end of the stick like that, you get lots of control. Well, I got the idea because we used to sell these fret saws and they had such a small handle, just could not grip it. So I decided to tape it the same way, and it has worked out perfectly, and we've sold hundreds, maybe thousands of them. I also tape my mallet handle. I tape my hammer handle. I tape my screwdriver handle, my countersink handle, my mallet handle. And perhaps the one I get the most benefit out of is my F-clamps. I have a ton of them, but trying to get lots of torque on that smooth wood handle was always a pain until we discovered that. Let me show you how you do it. Stick tape is not exactly an adhesive tape, or not even what a lot of people call athletic tape. It's a little bit different. Can't really describe it, but it lasts a lot longer. So what we do, tape your handle. Start by having one wrap around. Then you stretch the tape down, depending on how long the handle is, and you spin the tape. That's going to need to be a little longer. And when you spin the tape, it turns into a cord. And then you simply wrap the cord, the appropriate spacing, whatever feels right for you, and then come back and cover it over. Just rip that off. And that'll last a long time, and now you can actually get some torque on those things. We sell it 2 rolls for $10, and great stuff. Particularly, you get a little bit of arthritis in your hand, and you just can't get that grip that you need. This has been absolutely a fantastic find for us. Hope it works for you.